All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a trade breakdown on my NAS100 signal alert today, as well as yesterday's signal and alert for this one was actually NZD US dollar. This was a good trade yesterday too. We made $4,000 on this one, and then today we put another good signal alert for another Forex pair, and that was AUD NZD. AUD NZD, monster move. I didn't hold this thing at all. I actually cut this one off early. What a fucking move, man. I mean, this thing just ripped up hardcore. Look at this signal. Look at this signal. Look at this alert. 1.06048, right? That's the entry. Take profit 1, 2, 3. I mean, this one just squeezed up. Oh my God. Like, that's a monster move. But you know what? Let's talk about NAS100 because this one was a very interesting trade signal today. NAS100 I originally put out today from a buy standpoint. Now, originally I put out NAS100, told everyone looking to buy at 17,988.43 with followed by the take profits and the stop loss. With this one, I was looking for this one to basically push up because if you look at the chart here, we've been watching NAS100 basically peak out at these highs. So with this one, we were basically we basically tested this, lower high right here. And in theory, I wanted to see the market. The market looked like it was going to hold this support level. Want to see it basically squeeze up to the upside and basically break over these highs and get a really nice squeeze, nice run. However, she just looked really weak. And I wasn't going to fight it. I just basically switched bias. I saw that they basically try to stuff this into this resistance zone. So then I immediately was like, all right, you know what? This one's going to drop. This one's going to wash hard. So then we switched bias. I told everyone selling NAS100 at 17,975.95, followed by the take profits. And then sure thing, not too long after that, that's when she dropped. I mean, she just dropped like a fucking rock. We hit our entry, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, and then she dropped even more. She went from 17,975.95 all the way to 17,914.85. So I mean that was just a really clean, beautiful move. Now US 30 market open. This one just started dropping, selling off right away. So with US 30 selling off right away, that's what I was like, all right, well, NAS isn't really squeezing up because it's not squeezing up. It's probably going to start following US 30 very shortly here because typically when I see US 30 sell off, I like to see NAS 100 push up. When NAS 100 sells off, I like to see US 30 push up. In this case, US 30 starts selling off, dropping down hardcore, and then NAS 100 just wasn't squeezing, but then it's stuffed, right? It's stuffed towards these zones right here, these resistance areas. At that point, I was like, all right, this one just doesn't have enough juice. Doesn't have enough momentum to keep going. Here comes the sell. That's why I switched buys, jumped in this from a sell standpoint. I actually fat fingered this thing fucking twice. Meant to sell basically 2 lots, ended up doing 20 fucking lots. Now, granted, it worked out, but I mean, mistakes happen. It is what it is. Profits. I tell people it doesn't matter if you're taking 0.02 lots a day, 2 lots a day, or 20 lots a day. Profits. You trade well, profits will follow. It doesn't matter if I'm having a $20 day or $20,000 a day. I come to the market, focus on the chart, focus on good quality A+ setups. And I tell people this all the time, about using funded accounts and using real money. I'm using, obviously my real money. I don't understand why people want to use a funded account because if you trade well, right, and you focus on the right setups, right signals, right alerts, then you're going to make profit. It doesn't matter. People think that using a funded account, it's going to make you a better trader. It's not making you a better trader. If anything, it's making you a worse trader. Again, I'm going to say that very slowly. Using a funded account actually makes you a worse trader, right? Because of pressure, right? With pressure, we can't focus on trading. What's the pressure? The pressure is having to pass these challenges. So, again, it's up to you guys, whatever you guys want to use, funded account or real money. But, I tell people this, it doesn't matter if you're a good trader, you follow good, risk management. You know where you're looking to take profit. You're not being greedy. Then just profits will follow along. Late signal we sent out today was for obviously AUD NZD. This one, let's go to the bigger chart, bigger picture here. AUD NZD. This one made a monster move. I mean, just look at, oh my God, just look at this thing. Now, look at this thing on the bigger picture. What happened here? Why did I like this one? We basically sold, we're selling off, right? And then we started basically kind of like curl right here. Okay, so with this one, the reason I like this from an upside standpoint is because basically, look at this, guys. We're basically holding this real nice support level. That's what I want. I want to see basically hold this real nice support level. We followed across. You could see right there. Look at that. We had these nice, beautiful wicks right here, okay? So I was basically looking for this one to basically hold this area, push back to the upside. Now, I did not think, obviously, news came out, but this one, just look at this. It does not matter. Now, when you guys trade, you want to take at least one lot, right? It's very important with Forex pairs to take at least one lot. Now, obviously, if you're trading US 30, NAS100, these you could basically take, 0.03 lots to basically one lot is where you really want to focus on. Especially starting off with a small account, because you take 0.03 lots of US 30. If you take one of my signals, you could easily make $100 to $300 a day by just taking 0.03 to 0.05 lots on US 30. You could easily make anywhere from $100 to $300 a day easily right from your cell phone just by taking my signals and alerts. But with the Forex pairs, guys, you really want to focus on taking at least one lot, right? One lot to 50 lots. I don't think you should go more than 50 lots. I'm always stuck on 50 lots, but you should be taking a minimum of one lot. But awesome day with AUD NZD. Week is better than it was last week with the Forex pairs, US 30 and NAS 100, but I kind of was hoping for the week to be a little bit better. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so we're going to be very cautious and careful how we trade tomorrow. Awesome day today. Just awesome day. I can't complain. Very blessed, very grateful. Again, we put the signals out here in the private VIP Telegram. If you guys are interested in joining that link is going to be below this YouTube video. But the most important link that you guys want to click on is the very first link below this YouTube video. It will take you to the same broker that I'm using, where in the future they're going to offer copy trading with their platform trade locker. For those that don't know, obviously MT4, right? MT4 and MT5, guys, is dead. It is dead. By the end of the year, no brokers, nobody's going to be offering MT4, MT5. Trust me when I say that. So you either need to adapt or perish, right? When I say adapt, we adapt for the good. Okay, everything's got a shelf life. MT4 had a shelf life, it's done. MT5 had a shelf life, it's done. The future is TradeLocker, and the broker that I use, Osprey, they use TradeLocker, and then TradeLocker is going to be offering their copy trading, which means anybody that signs up directly underneath my link, you'll have the option in the future to copy my trades, where this is purely automation. When I say automation, that means you never have to place a trade yourself. Any trade I take, buy, sell, close, and automatically copy. So like this trade here, it would have copied it for you. You would have never even needed to take this trade yourself. Automatically copies directly onto your platform, where you make money day in and day out. Again, in order to do that, you got to click the very first link below this YouTube video. Hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully it helps and educates you in some shape, way, and form. Remember, guys, I wasn't a smart person. I barely passed middle school. I barely passed high school. In fact, my best friend that I'm still friends with to this day, we're friends because I had to cheat off of him and copy off of him. So if I'm able to do this, you guys are able to do this. Again, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and remember, guys, nobody goes broke taking profit. Cheers.